Welcome again to the Excel tutorials. In this video tutorial we will look at how can we use shortcuts for different purposes. In the current purpose we will see that how Ctrl+D can be used for as a shortcut. So here you can see that I have some subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, social sciences and geology, and I want to repeat it. So what I need is coming towards the column which is just beneath here under the maths. So clicking Ctrl+D, so maths repeated again. Ctrl+D, here you can see that the value is returning again and again. Like here physics, chemistry, social sciences and geology, and I want to repeat all these subjects at the same time. So Ctrl+D, again Ctrl+D, Ctrl+D and Ctrl+D, and here for all the subjects Ctrl+D. So you can see that I have just used only two keys, that is Ctrl and D, and it returned all the subjects at same time. So all these values are duplicated. Now here I have a figure. I want to make a duplicate of this figure also. So what can I do? In the similar manner which I have done before, so I will click Ctrl and D. Here you can see that I have duplicated the figure. Now coming towards the other shortcut in Excel. So here you can see all plus equal. Here are some values, the prices of different books. So I want to add all of the prices. So what should I do? The keys which I need here, that is Alt and clicking here in the cell which is under the price cells. So clicking Alt and equal, so you can see all the cells have been selected. Now clicking enter, so this is the summation of all the prices. Now checking the filter one. So how we can apply filter using Ctrl+Shift+L. So here for example selecting any of the cell, clicking any cell, and now Ctrl+Shift+L, you can see that filters have been applied on different columns. Here you can see. Now whether you want to select any value depending upon your requirements, so I want to select only 20. Okay, so through this way I have selected all the required values using Ctrl+Shift+L. Again removing the filter, Ctrl+Shift+L, you can see the filter is removed. Jumping towards the other one, which here you can see that is some of the spaces are given here. These spaces shows us that the students are absent and they haven't got any marks in their relevant exams. So what should I do? I want to write absent in all these cells. So it's difficult for me to write manually in each and every empty cell. So selecting all the table like here, and again Ctrl+G. now you can see go to appeared, clicking here special, and the special go to special, so click here blanks and clicking OK. Now I want to write here as absent, so absent and clicking Ctrl+ enter. So all the spaces have been filled with the absent. So these students are absent in their different exams. Now formula detection, I want to check whether this table have any formula or not. So for this particular task I need Ctrl+Tilde key. So clicking anywhere in the table and now clicking Ctrl+Tilde key. So here you can see that only this column, that is total, and deduction column having the formula. So here, as you can see, the sum formula, and there is the minus formula, and that is subtraction here. Again, removing the formula, so clicking hiding the formula, so clicking control and tilde key again, so it is hidden again. Now coming towards this one, for example, here are obtained marks, and here is the percentage. I will select its yellow color, and now in the other cell I want to do it to click, so clicking F4 again. Here you can see, for example, I want to do with the 53 here, and you can also do with any of the value. For example, I have done this one, like any other thing. For example, you have wrote here like Q WERTY, and you are, and here is also a SDFG, and you want to bold this one, and for example, font size is 14. Now we want to repeat the same function here, so clicking F4. So the last function which I have done here is the maximizing or increasing the font size. So the font size has been increased to 14. So the F4 can be used for repeating the previous work. Now here are some formulas, like again you can see the reduction formula as well as the summation formula. But I want to add all the values without a formula, so selecting the values like this one, Ctrl+C, and now Ctrl+Alt+V, so Ctrl+Alt and V. It is the special function. Now you can add here formulas, values, formats, comments, validation, etc. So I want to do just only values, so clicking OK. Now you can see the formula is removed, only the values have been pasted. Now adding the currency symbol. So here are some books, and all these prices are in dollar, so I want to add the dollar sign here. So what should I do? Here I need Control plus Shift plus the dollar sign which lies here on 4. So all the prices are now shown in dollar. The percentage, how can I change the column to the percentages? So here you can see this is general, but this one is in the percentages. So how you can do it? I can do it with the function of Control Shift plus %. If you click here Control plus Shift plus Enter plus %, so for example I want to add here 36 value again, the % sign will appear. For example 53, the % sign will appear. Any value if I will add, the % sign will appear. In the near cells I don't have any. For example, I want to write here 34, 34, 32, for example 12. So you can't see here any symbol of percentage, so I need Control Shift plus this one, so all the values change to the percentages. Now I want to add the colors of all these fruits. So it can be done simply by selecting the column. For example, banana, the color of banana is yellow, so writing here yellow and clicking Ctrl Enter. You can see that the yellow has been added to the all cells. Now I want to add the color for apple. So writing here, for example, the apple is red, so writing red and clicking Ctrl Enter. Here you can see the grapes. So for grapes I'm adding green, so selecting the cells and green and Ctrl+ Enter. So all the colors have been added automatically, just writing the first cell value. Now what can I do for this? For example, I want to assign all the fruits same color, so selecting the banana, apple and grapes. For example, all of these have same color, that is yellow, and clicking enter. Sorry, again, for example, I want to write yellow and Control Enter. So through these shortcuts you can maximize your outputs, and you can do a lot of work in the less time. Hope you got this tutorial. See you in next video. Thank you.